This is Gretel. She's at the Animal Rescue League of New Hampshire in Bedford, living in a colony room with other kitties. And that seems to make you very happy, doesn't it? Oh, did I wake you up? Well, have I got a dangly thing here that you would like to play with? Like dangly toys. Gretel can be very very shy in new situations, but oh my, what a girl. Well, now you went into the darkness there, Gretel. Well, I guess I don't blame you. It's a very nice bed you have. Okay, well, I guess I'll say goodbye if that's the way you want to be. There you go. We'll show people how cute we are. Yes, you are very cute, Gretel. And very soft. Yes, a very soft girl, very gentle. Good girl, Gretel. Oh, do you smell the treats on my finger? Uh-huh. Okay, I'll get you a real one. You don't have to lick off the crumbs. Bye, girl. Bye, Gretel. Yeah, you fluff up that bed now. Bye-bye.